Ather scooter versus RC390. This dude looks to be dude or dudess. All right. She looks to be an electric head, just like petrol head. An electric head. Let's go. She is back again. These electrics have bloody good torque. See the way she's going. Wow. And as always, we Indians love to split lanes, cut lanes without showing any indicator. Wow, let me see. See that electric sound. Woo! Whoa, this dudess is making me go crazy. She didn't wish to stop at the traffic signal, and wow, she is, what to say, a wild rider. She's able to outrun me on an RC390. Damn, that is an Ather, right? Where is she gone? This is getting shameful, Vikas. First of all, that's a chick who is overtaking me and going away. And next, that's an electric. I'm back, right on her tail. Oh, she's not even stopping for speed bumps. Whoa, electrics can do very well in the city. And well, chicks, they got a mind of their own. Is she going straight? Then I gotta go straight, because I want to see the way she rides, man. I want to see the way she rides. Oh God, either she's mad at her boyfriend, or she is indeed giving me a challenge because I overtook her once. She is still going strong, but let Vikas get his bad boy out, okay? Man, I gotta overtake her at least once, else this will get shameful. But the thing is that she is showing utter disrespect to other riders and simply cutting lanes. I'm not doing that. That is the reason I'm getting held back. Okay, buddy, I'm here. Now, she's the kind of girlfriend a biker would love to have. I don't know if she can ride a motorcycle, but if we teach her how to ride a motorcycle, she is going to be a daredevil. Oh, bloody, she's got better brakes than me. And she's again squeezing in through every damn gap. No, I'm stuck behind here. She'll be gone. I gotta go from here fast. She'll be gone. I'm low on fuel. I had to stop for a fuel stop. But this babe is giving me sleepless. I mean, if I lose this friendly race, I'm gonna have sleepless nights. Oh man, she's on an electric and I'm burning fuel like hell. I'm staying in the second gear, third gear, first gear. See, she's got no mercy. What a babe. I mean, I don't know if I should appreciate her or criticize her, but bottom line, this riding, 3 people riding on a damn scooter, and okay, where is she gone? Where is she gone? Crazy woman on an electric, crazy woman making me drive like nuts, crazy woman. Okay, because the baby's gone, because the baby's gone. She's taking a flyover, and I gotta go straight. I mean, not the flyover, but a left. Should I take the flyover, overtake her, and go my way? No, it's just too much. That's fine. Bye bye, Miss Electric Pie. I am going my way. But bottom line, I lost a friendly race with a chick. I mean, against a chick, whatever it is called. I lost a friendly race.